What is up, guys? Another beautiful day. Reporting live from the back of this K truck. Yeah. Oh, we got a lot of stuff to go over in this video, but it's fine. We're gonna keep the energy up. We're gonna wake you up today, all right? So, besides all the 50,000 cars that we constantly get in, check our website, www.drivermotorsports.com, to get a list of our inventory and see what we have here and what we have coming. A lot of stuff. Cars are going fast, so you need to be faster. Got some work going on right now in CJ's Bay. Oh, but that's a surprise. That's a surprise. You can't see it yet. CJ's on vacation right now, so his bay's getting all finished up. All right, so he's redoing CJ's Bay. You wanna tell us a little bit about what you got going on here?
Just hanging some drywall, mudding it, and then painting it all black.
Yeah, is that the business right there on your shirt?
Yes, sir.
Hey, look at that. Oh, hey.
Give me a shout.
Give him a shout. So let's do our normal weekly rounds. Let's go see what they're doing over here in Fabland. What y'all got going on?
We just
Looking at stuff and things.
stuff, not in that particular order.
So we're looking at some cool coatings. I think we're gonna get a whole swatch set out
Ooh.
from Cerakote. We just ordered some black for Arrival. Where's it at?
We
There it is. No, that's what it is.
we had some really cool stuff 3D printed for us, but the heat management on those things, I think he said it was like 150, 200 Celsius, but it's near one of the runners, so you know you could see individual cylinder temps up in the thousands. Although the manifold is Cerakoted and a lot of the other stuff is all heat managed, we're thinking we're going to go ahead and Cerakote the 3D printed piece, build a heat shield, Cerakote that. That way we have a good air gap to keep from melting things.
This coating is good for
It's like 1800 degrees.
1800 degrees.
Yeah,
So it should be okay, but we want that extra layer of protection.
I think that with 1800 degree protected coating or optimal coating, if internal core temp of that thing gets that damn hot, then it's going to misshape from the inside out. So again, that's where that air gap shield is going to come into play. And we'll find out. I mean, once we get the motor running, start doing the dial in, break in, and start tuning on it, we'll find out real quick how well that thing's going to hold up.
Hidden white.
What's the worst that could happen?
Yeah. Well, thankfully, it's just on the it's an adapter fitting to our catch can setup. Being that we went from a big boy down to two 12s, right?
Yeah, we went from a single 16 in to dual 12s, which you guys will find out why, but I like the setup
Yeah,
too.
it's super nice. I mean,
It's really aesthetically pleasing.
it looks good. It took what did he say? He said it was a day or 12 hours to print that.
I think it was like 28 hours.
He did. I think he said it was a day. Yeah, so it's
Something
maybe
like
24 to 28 hours.
But he got
but
the
it's-
threads on point.
Oh yeah, it's awesome.
It looks great. We'll have to show you guys down the road. Can't show you right now. So,
And
Stay tuned.
by the way, if you guys want to guess who we're going to SEMA with, drop it down in the comments. We're not going to let you know if you're right, but
Keep guessing.
yeah, keep guessing. And we'll let you know. November 1st,
guessing.
we'll let you know.
those people, they that shall not be named, sent us some ridiculously cool parts. From the sounds of it, we are the only people in the world that have them right now.
Minus the other shop that's also going to be in the booth. But
Is that true?
maybe.
I don't know.
I don't know. That vehicle looks hot.
I haven't seen it.
I'll have to show you some pictures. Sorry, guys, you can't see it.
Use your imagination.
Yeah.
Imagination.
I haven't done a good pop-up in a while. Justin,
Cody.
tell us a little bit about yourself, man. The vlog doesn't know you well.
Nobody knows me well.
He's a
That's my
mystery man.
secret.
He's like that mystery airhead flavor.
Oh.
Yes, I am
Is it
Mystery
just because
Airhead. I am the shop mystery.
The shop mystery. Hey, you leave in the comments. What do you think he does around here?
You know, Chris says, "Hey, we got a new team member. Say hello, Justin." Hello, Justin. But there was a caption with his name and what it says he is. But again, it's no secret Fabland tech. But what the hell does that even mean?
Hey, Brian.
That's not Brian right now. That is Boogron.
There's a whole inside story with this.
There always is.
So prior to my retirement from the Navy, one of my, I can't call him a good friend because we weren't really friends because that would have been like fraternization in the military.
You have no
But he worked directly for me. I was his mentor. He promoted to the rank of Chief Petty Officer, so he's going through some stuff right now. Time-honored tradition, you know, if you ever wonder what the heck that is that they do, I mean, you could guess in the comments below. Again, I won't tell you what's in the box, but yeah, he's going through that stuff right now. So in his honor, because I can't be there to terrorize him, I've been asking that, you know, stand-in, Boogron, questions, and every time I ask him, like, hey, what day is today, Boogron? Wrong answer. See, he's just over here talking crap.
All right. So let's look at some cars. Let's go look at some cars and see what they're doing to them. What's up, garage? Hey, how's everybody doing today?
Feeling pretty good.
Woo! Yeah, who am I starting with? Daniel.
Yes.
What we got going on, bro?
On this?
Yeah, right there, bro.
Doing all the preventative maintenance.
Okay.
It was already done really recently, but customer wanted it done, so we're gonna do it. Just doing all the front seals, water pump, timing belt, all that good stuff.
All right. And what is this? This is a
Chaser, JZX100.
All right.
It's got some custom like fender flares. You can really see it in the rear if you look down there. But this is gonna be a nice car when we're down there.
Jacob,
Yo.
what you got going on, buddy?
Well, I'm supposed to be test fitting this skirt here. And this car's got the alarm system in this car will not stop going off. Took the speaker out so it's not blaring, but it's still going off. So I gotta get up in its guts and figure out what's going on.
Me and Jacob are still hurting from Blue Ridge Rock Fest.
Oh, definitely.
That was a fun time.
It was a good time, but it was a long time. It was a hard time.
Yeah, he stayed all the nights. So
And I got reamed for it too.
yeah, he did.
Like my nasal cavities are chock full of shit right now.
Kelvyn! Kelvin's doing a lot actually today.
Since CJ left, I had to take over polishing and waxing for now. No cutting, but
It's fine. Look.
yeah.
Look at this
It's turned out
shininess.
okay, yeah.
Look at this shiny silver car. Good job, Kelvin.
For my first car polishing, it's not too bad.
Yeah,
so
it looks
I'm,
good.
I'm proud of it.
You did a good job, man. You're killing it. So we're staying really busy because we have no leadership here at the moment. Every man for himself. We're kind of winging it. Ed's leaving to go back on vacation. Chris is on vacation. I'm sure Dan is absolutely slammed right now because I've barely seen his face, but we'll check on him anyway. So Dan has to take over a leadership role and deal with the 50 billion customers we have on a daily basis, all while selling cars and keeping us alive.
Wow, we just listed that red Chaser and it's blowing up the internet right now. and oh my gosh, yeah. So my phone has not stopped all night and I'm just trying to catch up this morning.
There you go.
That's where we're at.
Let me get a little info update. Did it sell?
Yeah.
Okay, so the
Within an hour of listing it.
The red Chaser sold within an hour, but we're still going to show you. Look how beautiful this thing is. Look at that paint job. Oh my God. Are you surprised that this thing sold in an hour? No, because everybody here wants it.
Who wants to know, is this the LZ giveaway car? No, this isn't Adam LZ's giveaway car. But interestingly enough, the same guy that built this car is the guy that built the car that LZ gave away. So we did a bunch of maintenance to it, timing belt, all kinds of other stuff to it. But it was a really nice car. It had some issues in the aero that we had to get fixed and resprayed. But other than that, like, it's a stupid clean car, and it's sick. It sounds so good.
What you doing today, Bo?
Man, we're trimming up the rest of the fenders up on here. But, you know, Crown Majestas, they're always a pain in the tail, man, because
He's right here want to detach, but
Trying to grind this.
say it with your chest. We're trying to grind this shit away right here, man. Cause like, if you unscrew it, it just detaches. End of the world. Man.
CJ's on vacation, as is half the shop, and we're also renovating the detail bay back there, tank correction room. I don't know if you showed them that. If not,
I have, and I did a plug with the guy doing it.
So Kelvyn's taking over doing some polishing, and he knows what he's doing too. It's awesome.
All right, so we got these cool little mics now that I'm absolutely going to abuse. And I actually need Dan right now because we have to talk about this open house. So we have the fall open house coming up, and
Oh, yeah.
Dan's going to tell you all about that.
So we have the fall house. So, way to just throw me on the spot.
Dan also saw Chris D'Elia this weekend, and I'm super salty about it.
It was, wait, what are we talking about? The open
fall
house?
open
Oh,
house.
fall open house, October 8th, 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. The fall one is really more of a just come and hang out. We're not doing the Judge Car Show. We have a bunch of vendors and food trucks and stuff still coming, but it's definitely more of just our car meet. Come check out the shop. We've got a bunch of crazy projects going on right now that you guys haven't seen in 6 months, and they're almost there. So there's some that we have to keep under wraps due to obligations. So you won't be able to see them, or we might be able to work out some sort of, you guys can see it if you put your cameras in a basket, because we can't have any pictures
Yeah,
taken
there's
of
no
it.
photography.
But yeah, come hang out. It's always a fun time. The weather's always beautiful in the fall, and we have a ton of cars in here currently. So if you're interested in buying one, I'm the guy to talk to. But the fall one is just definitely more chill. It's more of just a laid back, come hang out, meet some other car people, and it's going to be a good time. I always enjoy the fall ones because it's way less stressful on me, but it's also more of the vibe that I like.
He's a fall guy. October 8th, 12 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Yep. Come hang out. It's going to be a fun time. Cody will be here looking like MGK's sister, and I'll be here, and you can make fun of my jacked up finger. Okay.
And I have these little mics now, so expect to have me walk randomly up to you and interview you.
Yeah, me and Cody will walk around during the event, and we'll just do this.
Just the whole time.
They're supposed to clip on, but
Not the way I'm going to use
it's
them.
way more fun to hold it because it's so obnoxious.
Yeah, there's
like
actually
this video.
There's actually a custom mic stand being made by Devin right now, so that's going to be really hilarious.
Oh my gosh. All right, come out. We'll see you guys soon.
And like always, don't forget to hit that bell icon, like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all for watching.